So guys, what if one day, due to some chemicals released from a mortuary into the river, led the genetic mutation of a creature and which convert that creature into a monster, and unfortunately, that monster capture one of your family member, then to which extent you will go for them? So here is the movie starts. At the start of the film, we see a mortuary in an army base. There was a scientist who ordered his assistant to put the 200 bottles of chemicals in the river. On it, that assistant says that if we pour this dangerous chemical into the sea, it will be dangerous for the sea animals. Because it was very dangerous chemical, it can harm those animals. But the scientist ignores his assistant. He orders to empty the 200 bottles of the chemical. That assistant pours the 200 bottles of the chemical into the river. After it, we are shown the scene after 2 years. Here are shown two fishermen. They are catching fishes. They see the strange creature in the river. That creature was having many feet. They were thinking that this animal is changed and become like this. That small creature sharp. It slips from their hands and goes into the water again. After it, we see the scene after 4 years. Here we are shown a shopkeeper named Gangdo. Gangdo was straightforward and simple. He wasn't wise and he often do little mistakes. He was careless. Gangdo has a daughter named Hyun Seo. Gangdo loves his daughter Hyun Seo so much. He takes care of her. Hyun Seo demands a new cell phone from her father. That's why, to purchase a new cell phone for his daughter, Gangdo was collecting money. Gangdo's father also lives with him. He takes care of Hyun Seo. Gangdo has a sister who was the expert on the crossbow. Gangdo was seeing his sister with his daughter Hyun Seo live. She wasn't performing well on a crossbow. Then Gangdo's father arrives there. He asks Gangdo to give the beer to the customer. And then Gangdo goes to give beer to his customers. Then they see a fish-like monster on the bridge. After some time, it comes to them, including Gangdo. All the people there throw beer on that monster. They were enjoying while doing this. After it, that monster goes from there. Then after some time, Gangdo sees that monster comes out of the water. It makes people its prey while attacking them. It was killing and eating them. Gangdo gets scared after seeing it. He runs from there to save his life. That monster tries to eat a man, but Gangdo picks up a heavy signboard and throws it on its tail. Due to it, that monster tail starts bleeding. That blood also falls on Gangdo's face. Then that monster shows its horrible face to Gangdo. Gangdo sees that the monster is swallowing a man. Gangdo gets scared. He runs from there. Then we see that Hyun Seo and her grandfather were still watching the live performance of his sister. Gangdo's sister fails in the semi-finals. Due to it, Hyun Seo gets upset and she comes outside. Then Gangdo, after arriving there, holds the hand of Hyun Seo and runs from there. Because the monster was chasing them, Hyun Seo falls down while running. But Gangdo holds the hand of Hyun Seo and they again start running. After coming at a distance, Hyun Seo sees that he was holding the hand of another kid. Meanwhile, that monster comes to Hyun Seo. It takes her with it in the river. Seeing it, Gangdo gets shocked. He was still saying. Then we see the people who have seen that monster from near. They were locked in the hall. Moreover, the military and the police sees the whole area. There were pictures of people in the hall who were killed and eaten by that monster. There was also the picture of Hyun Seo among those pictures. Seeing it, her father and grandfather become sad. They weep a lot. There the sister of Gangdo and his brother also arrives there. Gangdo's brother beats him a lot. Because if Gangdo will not hold the hand of another girl mistakenly, today Hyun Seo would be alive. She would not become the prey of that monster. Then a man in a yellow costume arrives in that hall. He asks them that if anyone gets closer to that monster or touched it, raise your hand. Then Gangdo raises his hand immediately. He tells that the blood of that monster was fallen on my face. Hearing it, that man, while seeing his other men catch Gangdo, he says that he also has that virus which is in that monster for sure. Then we see the family of Gangdo and the others who have seen the monster were under the doctors. At night, Gangdo receives a call from someone. When he receives that call was from his daughter Hyun Seo. Hyun Seo says to her father Gangdo that father, please save me. Gangdo asks Hyun Seo that where are you from this time? On it, Hyun Seo says that I am in the drain of a bridge. There are many other peoples except me. Hearing it, Gangdo and his family becomes happy because Hyun Seo was alive. The next day, they inform the police about it. On it, that police officer says that the virus is spreading speedily in Gangdo's body. That's why he is becoming insane, and that is why he is talking like this. Saying it, that police officer refuses to help him. But there was a friend of Gangdo's father who was the police officer. While taking his help, they become successful in escaping from there. They take guns, weapons, and some important things with them. Then they move forward while crossing the check area. But an officer does not let them go forward from the checking area. Because to go into the block area, they need the ID cards. They have no ID card at this time. But then Gangdo's father takes that money he collected to purchase a mobile for Hyun Seo. Gangdo's father gives that money to that officer. He says, sorry, we have forgotten our ID cards this time. So, you take it. After it, they move forward. Then we see that monster made two men in the yellow costume its prey. It is also take them in that drain of the bridge. It was collecting them there that if it will be feel hungry, it will eat them one by one. That monster also took Hyun Seo here. When that monster takes Hyun Seo here, Hyun Seo hides in a small pipe there. And Hyun Seo has taken the mobile from those people. She informed her father, Gangdo, that she is alive. After it, in the evening, we see two brothers under that bridge. Among them, the name of the younger brother was Sijo. Those brothers were there to steal the food items from Gangdo's shop. They steal the food items because they were poor. They have no house. That's why they always have food after stealing it. When they were going after stealing the food, then that monster attacks them. That monster kills the elder brother and takes the younger brother Sizu with them. That monster also takes Sizu in that drain of the bridge. When that monster leaves there, Hyun Seo comes there and sees that the boy is alive. Hyun Seo asks his name. He says that my name is Siju. Then we see that Gangdo and his family members come to their shop. After having good food, they sleep there. They were seem upset. The next morning, when Gangdo wakes up, he sees that monster was standing outside their shop. Seeing it, Gangdo's father start firing that monster. That monster attacks their shop and turns it. They come outside and start firing that monster. To save its life, monster immediately runs from there. They shoot bullets on that monster, but they forgot that their guns will be empty. That monster goes into the water. Then hearing the voice of firing, the police also arrives there. The police were coming towards them. They go to the other side of the river where that monster was coming from. Gangdo's father takes his gun from him. There was a bullet left in his gun. Gangdo tells his father that there is one bullet left in it. Then Gangdo's father asks them to run from there. Meanwhile, that monster comes to Gangdo's father. Gangdo's father points a gun on that monster. He presses the trigger, but then he sees that there is not even a single bullet in the gun. Then Gangdo also realizes that there were no bullet in the gun. There was not even a single bullet in it. That monster hits Gangdo's father. Then it goes to the river again. Gangdo comes to his father and he sees that his father was dead. After losing his father, Gangdo was sad. He starts weeping. The police have also arrived there. Gangdo asks his sister and brother to run from there. Gangdo cannot go while leaving his father alone. That's why he surrenders in front of the police. The police catch Gangdo and take him with them. Gangdo's brothers ask his friend to trace Hyun Seo's call. He helps Gangdo's brother while tracking the call. Here we come to know that the call tracker has played a trick with his friend. Actually, the police have announced the reward for catching the whole family of Gangdo because they have in touch with that monster. Gangdo was caught, but to catch Gangdo's brother and sister, police have announced a reward. That's why to catch Gangdo's brother, that call tracker played this game. Then that call tracker goes to the officer. They were the police and the other workers of the hospital. They want to catch Gangdo's brother. To get the reward, that call tracker brings Gangdo's brother here. They all come outside and they surround Gangdo's brother. Because Gangdo's brother knows the location of Hyun Seo. That's why Gangdo's brother, while making fault in electricity, runs from there. Gangdo's brother sends Hyun Seo's location to his sister. On the other side, we see that doctors were doing different experiments on Gangdo. Moreover, they were also torturing him. Here somehow, Gangdo acts wisely and he comes out from the trap of the doctors. He succeeds to run from there. Hyun Seo was waiting for her father to come. She thinks that her father will come to save her. Now the sister of Gangdo comes under that bridge. She comes there with her crossbow, and that was the place where Hyun Seo was. There that monster attacks Gangdo's sister. Due to it, Gangdo's sister falls down and that monster runs from there. Then we see that Hyun Seo and Siju makes a rope while tying the clothes. They throw that rope on the upside iron gauze, but that cloth rope was small. Now they have lost the chance to escape from there. After it, the brother of Gangdo also comes under that bridge. There he finds a homeless man. Gangdo's brothers succeeded to make a petrol bomb with the help of that homeless man. They were going there where that monster was. Gangdo also knows the location of Hyun Seo. That's why he finds that bridge where Hyun Seo was. At that time, Hyun Seo and that kid, Siju, were in the mouth of that monster. Then we see that the people were protesting on the road that why doctors tortured Gangdo. That monster comes to that crowd. They all run from there while saving their lives. Gangdo and his siblings also arrive there. The scientists have made a gas to kill that monster. They pour that gas on that monster. Due to it, that monster feels pain and falls to the ground. It gets faint. Meanwhile, Gangdo takes out his daughter, Hyun Seo, and that kid, Siju, from that monster's mouth. But it was too late because Hyun Seo was dead. But that small kid, Siju, was alive. That monster was again about to stand up and attacks them. Then that homeless man pours a can of petrol in that monster's mouth. Gangdo's sister throws an arrow of fire at that monster. Due to it, that monster sets on fire and it starts burning. To save its life, that monster runs toward the water. But then Gangdo comes in front of it. He stabs a rod in that monster's mouth. He kills it. Now Gangdo had killed that monster. But during this, he lost his beloved people, his father and his daughter. Now because Siju was also homeless and there is no one of him in this world. That's why Gangdo adopts him. He makes him his. Gangdo now become a wise and a good man. He was running his shop well. He loves Siju like his own son. And this is the end of this movie. Now I will see you soon in the next video with the explanation of some new movies. Till then, bye-bye.